Is God just a higher developed being, and has the term been co-opted by mankind?
The further in you go, the further out you go. The further in you go, you're going to find it's the same thing. Just like that fractal. You can go one way or the other for the fractal. It will never end. It will never end. You just keep going further and further in. You're going, what the heck is going on here? Should there be a beginning and an end? No.
There is no beginning and end.
Something going on here, and blows me away, because I'm saying, okay, so and there's something going on here. Seriously, there's something going on here. We're part of all this, but we have the ability. What's so cool about, quote, consciousness? That can connect with anything. If we are truly one consciousness, we can. It's all about the biology.ca. What is that one?
That's my website. It's all about the biology.
Oh, cool. I haven't been to your website.
Nope.
No, I haven't. You're keeping it a secret.
Oh, well, and it's a well-kept secret, you know. So everything I've done, everything I have, most of it's all about the biology. I have Twitter, I have YouTube, I have LinkedIn, I have all these different platforms, even Rumble. It's all about the biology.
So what is your profession?
My profession was as a truck driver.
And you came up with biology? How did you do that?
How did I do that? I have always been into natural and organic, and I've always been an explorer of knowledge. And I have a gift of being able to take knowledge in different data sets and combine them. And
it's a really cool statement. I mean, I've been talking to people, the soil's alive, it's the microbes. And I not once thought it's about the biology, because that explains it very simple to even the dumbest idiot. Because they keep saying, what are you talking about, heal the soil? What are you talking about? Well, I'm not healing the sand or the rocks. I'm healing the biology.
Yeah.
You see? So it blew me away when I first heard, the biology, of course. I wanted to get a trademark. I can go take a trademark on it, and I'll beat you to it. You need to get a trademark on that.
Actually, I've had it on here for over a year. So in reality, you would have one hell of a court battle, because I can prove that I've been using it a lot longer than it's anybody else. But the key was, Andy, is when I discovered the S phase of cell development and cell division, you need the biological component to build the cell. That's your workforce. Like, say you're building a house, that's your labor force. But it's also the biology that creates the 2x4s and the 2x6s.
Yeah.
So without those two, a cell can't divide. If it does, it's a rogue cell. So it truly is down to, it's all about the biology, because we don't exist. Our cells can't divide, a plant, animal, or human, without that biology as the base.
And when you look at the biology, what is it the biology does? It provides the trace minerals needed to function. Like, you have to have calcium, magnesium, and in the right proportion, and in a certain way that's acceptable by the system, whether it be the plant, humans, or whatever. See what I mean?
Yeah.
You know, and that's the key to it right there, because without the biology, we would not have Earth as we know it.
Yeah, exactly.
Simple as that.
Those minerals could be all over the place, and we couldn't use them without the biology.
And there are lots of planets with lots and lots of minerals, but no biology to do anything with it. So they're going to be like that forever. And so the biology requires a specific, like the Goldilocks zone kind of thing, know? Right?
Well, we got to tell Elon Musk, hey, buddy, you want to make Mars inhabitable? It's all about the biology.
Right. So all he's going to be able to do on Mars is live in giant buildings, which maybe has soil in there and stuff like that. But the Mars itself will not hold life, because it doesn't have any soil. It did have soil one time.
Yeah.
Right. There are lots of other planets that did have soil. There's planets now that they're discovering that has water. So science is key into water. Well, it's just water by itself, and it's not going to do it. It's not going to do it. There's biology in the water too. They're different. But there's something about soil and the microbes in the biology in the soil that's different than the biology in the water.
Well, we've got a guy coming on Monday, Dennis Meehan. He's going to actually talk about the space in between the water molecules.
That's cool. I'm into that too. I've discovered that there's a space in between everything. When you
Yeah.
meditate, you want to go in the space in between. So your
Yeah.
body is mainly 99% space.
God is within. All the answers are there.
Exactly right.